Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Resonance, a Plague Tale Legacy game, not loading or stuck on loading screen, lagging, freezing, low FPS, stuck on black screen error on PC. So let's go through the methods. So the very first method is to check system requirements of the game. So after going through Steam in the search option, after that go below, and here both minimum as well as recommended requirements are mentioned over here. So all these are required specs that is needed to play the game. So make sure your PC have all of these, and after that launch the game and check. Next method is to allow the game through firewall. So for that, go to the search option. From here you have to search for Windows security. After that, here you have to click on firewall and network protection, click on allow an app through firewall, click on change settings. After that, search for the game whether it's listed or not. If you cannot find the game, click on allow another app, click on browse, go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, here you have to select it, make sure both private and public boxes are ticked, and then click on OK. Finally, launch the game and check if it's working. Next method is to modify launch option. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game. Here I am showing an example. Now right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you have to type -dx11, launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, type -dx12 and then try to launch the game and check if it's working now. If this also doesn't work, come back again, remove the launch option and move to the next method. Well, the next method is to run the game as administrator. So for that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, now click on browse local files. This will take you to the game folder where your game has been installed. Select the application, right click on it, click on properties, click on compatibility, and here select run this program as an administrator, click on apply and OK. Then launch the game and check if it's working. If this doesn't work, come back again, select run this program in compatibility mode for, select Windows 8 or previous version Windows 7, hit on apply and OK and launch the game and check. If this also doesn't work, come back again, select disable full screen optimizations, hit on apply and OK, launch the game and check if it's working. But if the issue still continues, come back again, uncheck all of these, hit on apply and OK and move to the next method. Next is to update your graphics card. So make sure your graphics cards are up to date. So for that, go to the search option. From here, search for device manager, expand display adapter, select your graphics card, right click on it, click on update driver and then click on search automatically for drivers. So this will check and update your graphics drivers. After that, launch the game. Nvidia, AMD, Intel, whatever you are using, go through the link already provided in the description and you can easily update your graphics card from there. Next is to disable in-game overlays. So Steam users, just go to Steam, select your game, right click on it, click on properties. Under general, you can see enable the Steam overlay while in game option. If this is enabled, you have to click on it to disable it. After that, launch the game and check. For GeForce Experience users, open GeForce Experience, tap on get icon beside username, click on general, switch off in-game overlay options. For Discord overlay, go to the user settings, game overlay tab, switch off enable in-game overlay option. Next is to clear DirectX shader cache. So for that, you have to go to the search option and search for disk cleanup. Select your drive, click on OK. Here you have to select DirectX shader cache. After that, click on OK and then click on delete files. Now once you have done this, after that launch the game and check. Next is to perform a clean GPU driver installation. So most of the time simply updating your graphics card does not work and show error. So what you have to do is, first you have to download the latest graphics drivers from the official Nvidia or AMD website. Next, also download a free utility called display driver uninstaller, that is DDU. Now boot your PC into safe mode, run DDU and select clean and restart. Finally, when your PC reboots into normal Windows, install the fresh drivers you have downloaded and then check for the error. If it doesn't work, next method is to clear download cache. For that, go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on downloads, go below, click on clear cache beside clear download cache. This will clear your local download cache and restart Steam. So confirm it. After that, log into your Steam and again launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to verify integrity of game files. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on properties, click on install files and then click on verify integrity of game files. So after clicking on it, we have to wait for some time, and once the game files is verified, launch the game and check. Next is to install Visual C++ files. For that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in your browser. Once the website opens, go below. From here, you have to click on the link to download Visual C++ files. Once it is downloaded, open it. You will get repair or install option. So click on it and click on yes. Now wait for some time, and once you will get setup successful message over here. So wait for it. After you get set up successful message, close this. Now restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch the game and check if it's working. If not, next is to disable antivirus software. So if there is any antivirus software installed on your system, you are suggested to disable it, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to move game to SSD. If your game is not installed on SSD, you are suggested to move it as it can make you suffer from crashing or several other issues. So you can easily check it. Go to Steam, click on Steam option, click on settings, click on storage, select the check whether your game is installed on SSD or on other drive. If it's on another drive, then you have to select it and click on move option. And once you move the game to SSD, now try to launch the game and check if it's working. Next is to update Windows. For that, go to the search option. Here you have to click on check for updates. After that, click on check for updates option. It will check if any update is available, and after updating your Windows to the latest version, launch the game and check. Next is to close unnecessary background tasks. So for that, go to the search option, search for task manager. Now under background process tab, you have to check for those apps which are running in the background. You have to select it, right click on it, click on end task. Also go to the details tab over here, and here you have to right click on the Resonance a Plague Tale Legacy exe file, and after that right click on it in set property. You have to select high, and after that launch the game and check. Next is to install DirectX. So for that, I have already given this link in the description. Just copy and paste it in a browser. Once the website opens, so go below, click on the download option. It will download DirectX. You have to open it, and after that you have to click on yes. You have to install it, accept everything, and after that wait for some time. And once DirectX is installed, after that you have to launch the game and check if you can play the game or not. If not, next is to run the game on dedicated graphics card. So for that, go to the search option, search for graphics settings. After that, here you have to add your game to the list. For that, click on add a desktop app. Go to the game folder, select the application, add it to the list over here. Once you add the game, you have to select the game, click on the arrow icon under GPU preference, select high performance, and after that launch the game and check if it's working. If not, then the final solution is to reinstall Resonance a Plague Tale Legacy game. For that, go to Steam, under library section, select your game, right click on it, click on manage, click on uninstall, and again click on uninstall option. This will delete the game from PC. After that, you have to restart your PC. For that, click on Windows icon, click on power, select restart. This will restart your PC, and once your PC restarts, launch Steam and again reinstall Resonance a Plague Tale Legacy game, and finally click on the play button to check if the game is working now.